So today is June 11, Judy,
June 11th.
and we are starting our day kayaking in this beautiful place here. It's called the beach, and
Beavers Bend Beach.
maybe you'll be able to see that there is really a beach down there. And here's where people come to kayak or use their paddle boards, and we will try it. We are approaching this beautiful rock wall. We saw this in the website, so we are very excited to see how it looks. We're having fun, Judy.
Amazing.
I'm just checking if those kids are going to jump. It seems he will.
Yep.
Whoa! A little bit more of this part of the river. And I'm glad that there's nobody else here now.
Here we are getting closer to the turtles.
So many, Judy.
Look at all the turtles.
All sides.
Oh, jumping. They are very afraid of people, these turtles.
And some are just on top of the other, see?
Yeah, did you see that one? One on top of the other. These guys almost were on top of each other.
Look at that baby one.
Oh.
More turtles around here. There's a little bit more of this rock wall. So beautiful.
We've got a man plus river going on here.
So we said let's look for some GoPros or iPhones, but I was totally kidding. But you see what we found here. A brand new
Wow.
iPhone 11. And people are just trying to find it. There's a picture here. And AT&T, they do have sign here. We'll try to find the owner. So here we are. Finally, we are returning the phone to these people. Sorry, what's your name again?
I'm Jeff.
Jeff and
I'm Christy.
Christian.
Emma.
Emma. So it was really a pleasure. It was kind of an adventure.
Yes, absolutely.
Very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank
it was
you.
such a blessing.